news about Jesus as according to John chapter 9 from verse 35 to verse 41. Jesus talked to the man with the blind. Jesus here said the Jew leader them kick the man with the blind out of them church. When Jesus find him ask him say, "You believe in the man where God pick?" Who him, sir? The man asked Jesus. "Tell me, so me can believe in him." Jesus said to him, say, "You have seen him now. Him a talk to you." So the man say, "Lord, me believe." And him worship Jesus. Jesus say, "Me come in the world for judge people, so blind people can see, and the one them we think them can see get blind." Some of the Pharisee them where did they around him hear when he said this and ask, "A blind you also we blind too?" So Jesus tell them say, "If you the blind, you wouldn't guilty of no sin. But true you say you can see, you guilty." A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.